Hey everybody, this is Ryan with BaldyLocks Stocks. Welcome back to the channel. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like, and hit that bell. Every time we post a video, it comes up on your feed. Let's get started with the day. Today, I want to talk about three stocks that I'd mentioned earlier this week, and they all had some big runs. A lot of people made a lot of money. Some people lost some money, but let's go ahead and check them out. The first one I have is IGC. IGC, I called in right here at $1.60. $1.60 broke the 150 resistance. It did run all the way past $2, which is where I would mention to get out because again, that's where it broke. Unfortunately, this is where I got out. Unfortunately, it dipped back down, and then it took a huge gain all the way up to over $4 a share. Nobody saw this coming. It was great gains, but again, you got to be careful because if you wouldn't put your stop losses out, especially in the after hours, that's why unless you're really good at trading, this is your after hours area. Please make sure, unless you know what you're doing, to not trade during after hours because you can get caught. You can call losing a lot of money. Now this one here did shoot up again at the open of the next day, but it's been tailing off ever since. But again, this is something I called out. I said get in, and again, I told everybody to get out at $2 a share. If you did, you made that money and you was able to capture it. And then of course the afternoon it shot back up again. Killing myself for not making more money on that. It just didn't work out like I was hoping. The next one is NTN. NTN I called to get at $3.50 a share. Again, this is right here at the pre-market. This is where it has some huge gains. This is where it hit everybody's scanners. It dipped down at the open. The 350 was a good spot where it broke that resistance, and you see it shot all the way up to over $7 a share. A ton of people made a lot of money on this. Unfortunately, it did just like most penny stocks do. It shot straight back down. It hit everybody's stop losses and it caught a lot of back holders if you didn't hit your outs, and you could have really lost a lot of money on this. And of course, it's been downtrending ever since. This is why one of those catalysts you gotta when it's running, you gotta go. You gotta make sure you capture what your money that you have while you got it, then get out as soon as you can. That's how these penny stocks are. That's how it rolls. So the last one here is FAMI. FAMI, kind of the same deal. It started running a little bit in the pre-market. It dipped back down. It came back up. I said to get in at $1 because $1 is your natural support level once it broke $1. And you see that's what happened. Up $1, went all the way up to $1.50. It came back to that support level at $1 again, and it's going back up. Now you'll see here at the very end of the day, it's creeping back down. I would probably say this is probably done. I wouldn't get back into it. Probably tomorrow's going to be a free fall for the shorts, short sales. So again, this is a good stop that I called at $1. It ran all the way up for about 50% of your gains if you was able to get into it. If you like my video, go ahead and again, please hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button, share it, and for now, that's a lot.